what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for present. Ah ha ha ha. You see what I did there? I'm back at Hackney Present today. I'm going to show you some of my favorite pieces that they've got. I showed you a video last time. There's a lot of stuff here, CP, etc. Stony, you know the crew. Come down. You know what I mean? Couple a few bits, but today I'm going to show you 7, maybe 10, maybe 7. We'll see, of my favorite bits. So yeah, let me show you that. Alright, I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, number one, guys, every time I do a video here, you hear me talking about the Marina and how I need to get it, and I'm waiting for them to drop the price and so on and so forth. The price is already mad dropped, but you know, I'm praying for Christmas or something, you know what I mean? But this is a super dope piece. As you can see, I'm just going to take you through. You got, this is the waistcoat version. Look, it's got the pockets, and you see in the pockets, let me just open that for you so you can see. So then you see you got that Marina print in there like that, and you got the pockets, super nice. Of course, look, it's got a pouch that comes with it. I mean, so underrated this Marina season, I think. The new Marina season's dope as well, but like, look at this, you get a pouch that comes, it's connected in, you know, it's Gore-Tex, it's, let me show you the back. You've got that Marina spell out there, which is embroidered. I mean, this is just such a beautiful piece. I mean, like I said, I'm definitely going to cop it. Tappity tap tap on the old hood there. That's going to save you from the rain. You know what I mean? It's Gore-Tex, so you know that water resistant and waterproof properties are in full effect. So this is piece 1. So this is your Stone Island. Let me see if it's got the name on it. So yeah, 3L Gore-Tex in recycled polyester. And again, look, you see that pouch right there, super dope, really nice piece, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, super dope. Let me just give you, so you can see what's going on. I'll give you like the up and down, boom boom boom, really nice. And just for completion, let me show you the full jacket version, Gore-Tex, you know what I'm saying, super nice. You got that pocket there, which opens up. Of course, you've got the spell out once again on the back, and you've got that hood for that tappity tap tap, super nice. Again, the waistcoat's still really the one I want, but again, that's the full version right there. Second piece, I'm not just doing waistcoats today, I promise guys, but this is a piece I kind of showed you in the last video, and it's that Shadow Project glass linen with cotton mesh. Super nice. You see there goes the badge, you've got that, them glass particles in there. Of course, you open it up, you've got that double line in there with the mesh. You've got your burnished in steel buttons, of course, right there. Get me, see the glass particles. There you go, there's the label telling you what's what. Very nice. Shadow Project, of course, as you can see. Let me just flip it around for you. So you got that mesh back for breathability. Of course, you got that glass linen property right there that will shimmer crazy in the light. You can already see the light, so it's already shimmering like it's out of control. But yeah, super nice piece. Shadow Project, of course. Shadow Projects are going to be stopping, so yeah, time to get some beards. Some nice pockets in there. You can put a few things in these pockets, you know what I mean? Put your little house in that one, might put your apartment in the other one. You're good to go. Super dope. Number 3. Now, you've seen me do this jacket because I've got the sand version of this jacket. And I told you I was pissed because I paid full price like an idiot. But of course, Present have it here, as you can see, half price. Maybe even a bit more than half price. Actually, exactly half price, because I think I paid, yeah, anyway, don't remind me. So yeah, this is the black version. Super nice jacket, like I said. Feels good. You got those rubber elbow panels right there. It's for aesthetics, you know. It's not gonna save you from a motorbike or crash or anything. It's just, you know, cute. You've got those nice little pockets. It's a lino flat kind of material, but although it's lino, it's kind of it's not irritating on the skin. It's fine, you know. Sometimes lino is a bit irritating, but it's pretty cool, you know what I mean? And in the black version, really nice. Of course, you see the Clarks and the CP company right there. You see the zip pull right there. Just flip it around. goggles. So yeah, really nice. I might grab this in black, I'll see. Don't need another jacket, and I say need, just need, got to do with it, but yeah. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, classic jacket this, and yeah, for this price, definitely worth having a look. Next we have this CP company thing right here, super nice, and this is one of their, I think it's a new material, the flat nylon. Really nice. So it's kind of like a crinkle wrap. It's not quite as much, but see, it's got that sort of, it's got the down in. I'll open this up for you. But this is a super nice coat, man. Like you see, it's got the old school duffel toggles right there, reminding you of Paddington Bear. You know what I'm saying? Super nice. Of course, it's in my colour of the moment, which is this orange. You know what I mean? Really nice. Or as I think Stone Island are calling it. What are they calling it? Some sort of Senna brown or something. Sienna brown, that's the one. But I'm calling it orange. Of course, you got the lens right there. You got your nice little hood, right? This is proper hood there, cover you, keep you warm. Let me just zip down. I'm doing this one-handed. Bear with. Okay, so as you can see, nice little orange guts in there, the little innards right there, super nice. You look here, you can see that we've got the flat nylon, you know what I mean, garment dyed, down jacket as well, so there's down in there. Really nice, super jacket. And again, this was probably 50% off, so look, you're saving a wedge right there. I really want to pick this up myself, but I'm not allowed no jacket, so I think I'll just have to leave this for whoever comes and grabs it, and be really upset that I didn't grab it. But super nice, super nice. I'll just show you it hung up so you can see. Yeah, really nice piece, guys. Really nice piece. Again, apologies for the one-man bandit thing, but soon I'll get a team, you know what I mean, and all of that. But yeah, so that's the next piece on the list. Super nice, and yeah, great price. Next we have this Telacotone Lino Flamato TC. I think I showed you it briefly. Of course, it's like a proper field jacket. You see, left hand side, right hand side, you got the pockets, you got left hand side, right hand side, another set of pockets, left hand side, right hand side, another set of pockets. So you've got 3 sets of pockets on the front, you know what I mean, or 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. So really nice, do you know what I mean? It's kind of lino-y, but unlike the lino that I showed you on the CP Clarks, this is a less, it's a thinner lino, do you know what I mean? You got that nice little neck shield right there, little tappity tap, you know, it's not going to save you from anything, it's going to go right through. But this is a summer jacket, do you know what I mean? You're going at 412 there, not bad at all. Beautiful colour, do you know what I mean? If you've got your Stone Island Air Max 1 Aquas, perfect pairing, super nice. Yeah, this is one of my favourite pieces. The field jacket, I'd pick it up, but I don't need another. I say need, it's just like I'm trying to be very particular, do you know what I mean? So, but this is definitely one of my favorites. Whoever picks this up, you're not gonna go disappointed. Super nice, super color, and yeah, price is dope. Next, guys, we have this HD Peliovo Cotton TC. I swear they've been making these names up. I think they probably just smoke a spliff and say, yeah, we're gonna call it this. But yeah, super nice. Look, lightweight. This is your perfect summer spring jacket. Super lightweight. Like, it's got some nice pocket placements right there. You're walking down the street, your hands in the skyrocket right there in the right place. It's kind of like a little raised pocket, as you can see. It's got that sort of pleat right there going down. You got your drawstrings, and you've got a nice YKK zipper there, like a sort of bit heavier duty piece. Let me just zip down. Of course, you have your sort of, what would you call this? You got that glass kind of material that I showed you on the waistcoat right there, that glass fibre, and that's like it's like a detachable inner, so that's the hood. So this all comes off, and then that's a detachable inner hood right there. So that will come out, as you can see. Super nice, super nice. You've got your little stone island right there. Of course, shadow badge goes right there. Yeah, really, really nice. Super soft, super light. Just nice. Let me give you it stood up. So as you can see, it's really light, really nice, perfect for summer. You know what I mean? White t-shirt, pair of jeans, keep it classic, simple. Boom. Alright guys, we have this nice OVO wash right there. You see it's got the badge, the custom badge. So all the badges will be a little bit different, as you can see, because they're dyed. You see, super nice. You see the paint splatter or the dye on the actual piece. Really, really nice. Yeah, really nice. I think this is the best version, the black version. The green's kind of nice as well, but I do like the black with the orange splatter. Kind of gives you that workman vibe, you know, black jumper, and then you've been working in cement and brick all day, you know. Super nice, that actually. Really, really like that. I don't think they have these really. You might spot a green one sat somewhere. You might spot the pants as well, but yeah, I think when these come in they go quick. So yeah, you'd be lucky to find it when you come, but I mean at 160, that's a win-win, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, super nice piece. Of course, let me just give you a little hang up so you can see. And there you go, you see, super nice badge, another. Yeah, okay guys, I got a cheeky little fire piece right here, you know what I mean, thanks to the guys that present, you know what I mean, showing me them special little joints right there, you know what I mean. Look at this one. This is a Supreme Stone Island. I'm not even sure which season this is. It's like the riot jacket one. I'm not sure. You see, you got the hood with that peak right there. Super nice. Of course, you got the side flaps right there, so that will go across your face. Really, really nice. Of course, you got your innards there, Stone Island Supreme. You see what it's saying right there. I don't know what the price is on this, but again, 50% off would have been. So you know, look at that. You got the camo. If you look closely, you can see. Excuse the lighting today, but yeah, you see that camo coming through that. Let's open it up. So you got to see that brushed cotton. Brushed cotton 2C camo OVO, super nice, super nice. And then of course, if you open, you can see the big spell out compass right there, a big embroidered compass right there. That's the outline on the other side. I'll just turn it over so you can see. Oof, it's naughty, very naughty, very naughty. That. Look at that. Love this. Yeah, love this a lot. I love the embroidered. They've got the new season where they got the jumpers, and right in the dead center they got t-shirts and jumpers embroidered. Super nice. I saw them yesterday in person. Super nice. Of course, you got your little toggle at the back of the hood. Really crazy. And of course, you got your bit telling you what it do, what it don't. You know what I mean? Super nice piece, guys. Let me just hang it up so you can see. Turn this inside out a bit, so yeah, boom, and there you see you got your Stone Island Supreme right there. Of course, you got your kind of riot masky hoodie right there, and then right on the back you got that big logo, you know what I'm saying? Super nice. Okay, this one needs no introduction. You would have seen this in a couple of iterations, the shorter version, the longer version. I think there was a limited edition version as well, but yeah, I mean, this jacket, the 50 right there, 50 years. So, you know, CP just recently celebrated 50 years. You got the CP company Barbour right there. You got all the literature. You got the goggles. I mean, you got the watch viewer. I mean, what more do you want on this jacket? It's a complete jacket. Obviously, I didn't pick this up. I picked up a couple bits. I picked up the bag, I picked up the hat. The jacket was just too expensive at the time. But yeah, very nice. Of course, you've got this pocket with the beautiful buttons, 1, 2, 3 buttons on each side. Again, left hand side, right hand side. Equal living is not a beautiful thing because you've got a double pocket here and a single pocket there, but super. This jacket is just perfect. It's a perfect jacket. Like, just look, you even got the Barbour print inside. I mean, what more do you want? There's not much more to say about this jacket. Got your Barbour little hooks there, your little zip pull right there. You got your little bit of corduroy right there. You know, just soft, of course. Just really nice, really nice. You got your zip pull, of course. You got all your CP Barbour tagging right there, as you can see. You know, give it a little inside so you can see what it looks like from inside. That's what the jacket looks like. Guys, take it. Yeah, super beautiful piece. Not much more to say about this other than gorgeous. Okay, guys, my final piece, guys, my final piece is this CP Company t-shirt right here. Super nice, just simple, oversized, military green. Look at the ribbon on there, super good stitching. You got your CP Company right there. Check the hem, fat little hem there. You know what I mean? Really nice. And the pièce de résistance is the little pocket right there with the little lens viewer right there. Super nice. I really like this. See the stitching right there. It's just a nice t-shirt. Let me show you that closer up. Not much more other than great color, great price. You know what I mean? Boom. Yeah, super nice, man. Super nice, guys. Alright, guys, yeah, so I've shown you my favorite pieces that I've seen so far. There's a whole lot more stuff, so come have a look, see what your favorite pieces are. But those are a few of my favorite pieces from the recent drop. And yeah, guys, this has been another episode of And Also. I've been your host P5, aka P is for Present, and this has been Once We're Not 10 magazine, dedicated to shit that I'm into the end, guys. Stay dope, stay fly. Leave your comments down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Alright, guys, get yourself down here when you can. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Peace.